Now, sometimes when we're creating shapes, we don't always have a flat surface to draw on. So when I go to create a sketch, let's say for this cup sort of shape, I want to create sort of a handle for it. When I go to sketch, I've got nothing flat to draw on the outside edge of this cup. So what we need to do is we need to create a flat surface to draw. And this is where we start using things called construction planes. So if you click on construct, there's a bunch of different ways you can create sort of construction geometry. And the most common one that we use is just an offset plane. So I click on offset plane, and because I've only got a couple of flat surfaces in this model on the top and the bottom of the cup and the original sketch planes, I have to choose one of these flat surfaces to offset off of. So in this case, I'm going to choose that face there. I'm going to drag it outwards. I'm going to drag it outwards a distance that seems about right. So now I've got a new construction plane out here. So I've still got those original ones in the middle, based around my origin, but now I've got a new imaginary surface just out here, which I can start a sketch on. So now I can create a sketch on here. I could create, it's going to be sort of a handle, and then I can extrude that shape towards the body. Now, because this is a curved surface, in this example, when I drag it towards the body, it automatically wants to start cutting out. So I'll just change that up, join. But I'm going to run into a problem, and that is, on the inside of my part, I've just got that little bit in there which sticks out. It's not very helpful. So instead of just extruding a distance, what I'm going to do in this example is extrude to an object. Now you can either choose a surface or you can choose the whole body that you want to extrude to. So now it will go to the body and it will wrap around that curve, but it won't go through it. So we use these construction planes fairly regularly when we don't have surfaces appropriate for drawing on. Another scenario where you might need to create a plane is if I wanted to draw an object coming out of the middle of this shape, I might have to use a midplane. So under construct, head down to midplane. I'm going to choose this side, and I'll spin around and choose this side, and it will create a plane which runs through right through the middle of those two surfaces. And then I can draw on that surface. I'm just going to do a quick little revolve. So I can revolve that shape around that axis. So again, a scenario where I don't have a surface that's appropriate for drawing on, so I have to create one using either an offset plane, midplane. There's a bunch of other scenarios, but this is starting to get a little bit more advanced.